And shifting focus to our other big story, where JMM leader Champai Soren has gone on to reveal that he faced bitter humiliation during his tenure as chief minister. He has alleged that all his scheduled government programs were abruptly cancelled by the party leadership without his prior knowledge. Meanwhile, Jharkhand chief minister Hemant Soren has now hit out at the BJP, accusing the party of using money to poach their MLAs and attempting to break parties and their families. Remember, this is coming amid the news that Champai Soren is all set to join the BJP. Not just that, in fact, he is backed by over 20 MLAs is what we've learned from our sources, and this could have massive consequences as far as the split of the JMM is concerned. This particularly coming from Champai Soren, who's been a very trusted aide of Hemant Soren. And remember, he was in the national capital yesterday where he said that he had come to meet his daughter, but there is a lot of speculation over Champai's next move, who has gone on to say that he faced bitter humiliation during his tenure as CM. Listen in.
ये लोग गुजरात से, असम से, महाराष्ट्र से लोगों को ला करके यहाँ आदिवासी, दलित, पिछड़ा अल्पसंख्यक के ऊपर जहर बोने का काम करता है और एक दूसरे से लड़वाने का काम करता है। समाज तो छोड़ो, ये घर भी फोड़ने का काम करता है, पार्टी तोड़ने का काम करता है। आए दिन कभी इस विधायक को खरीद ले, कभी उस विधायक को खरीद ले। और पैसा ऐसा चीज है कि नेता लोग का तो ऐसे ही उन लोग को इधर उधर घसीटने में उन लोग को देरी नहीं लगता है। खैर, कोई बात नहीं। हमारा इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार 2019 से निरंतर जनता के बीच में खड़ी है।
Now, if we go by the details of what is happening on the ground, remember from his ex-handle, Champai Soren has removed any mark of the JMM. Not just that, even at his residence, there are no JMM flags. But when asked on whether he is jumping ship to join the BJP, he has not made that admission yet. In fact, he has gone on to say that there is no chance that he would be quitting the JMM. This has led to further speculation to what his next move really could be. And of course, Hemant Soren's statement that certainly adds weight to all this speculation that has been ongoing.
As speculations over his imminent switch to the BJP reached fever pitch, former Jharkhand Chief Minister Champai Soren claimed that he isn't going anywhere. While reports claimed that he was to meet BJP leaders on his arrival to Delhi, Champai told reporters that he was in the national capital on personal business. The senior Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader said he keeps visiting Delhi to meet his daughter. Soren, who is believed to be sulking since being unceremoniously removed as the CM to make way for Hemant Soren, also denied meeting any BJP leader.
अपना निजी काम के लिए हम आए हैं।
जी सर।
हमारा बच्ची रहता है, उससे देखने के लिए आया है।
जी।
इसीलिए अपना निजी काम है, दिल्ली आना जाना होते रहता है। आज भी हम आए हैं।
However, he smiled when asked if he was miffed with his party leadership, adding that he also has some health checkups lined up during his stay in the national capital.
अभी हम जहाँ पर है वहीं पर है।
जी जी,
है ना?
हाँ।
और अपना निजी काम में दिल्ली आए।
हिंदू जी से मुलाकात हुई आपकी? ये नहीं,
हमें भी किसी से मुलाकात नहीं हुआ है।
Significantly, however, Champai removed JMM from his official X profile, keeping the speculations alive. In most signs that the JMM may have already reconciled with his exit, the JMM flags were removed from his Jharkhand residence. Visuals also showed his Jilingoda residence falling vacant. Meanwhile, the BJP opened up on speculations around the former Jharkhand CM. Listen in.
जिस तरीके से चंपई सोरेन का अपमान हुआ था वो भीतर ही भीतर बहुत उनकी ज्वाला जो है वो सुलग रही होगी। झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा के कैडरों में भी इस बात को लेकर खासी नाराजगी थी। बहरहाल अगर वो इच्छा व्यक्त करते हैं ज्वाइन करने की और अगर वो व्यक्त करते हैं तो इस पर हमारा प्रदेश और केंद्रीय नेतृत्व ही फाइनल निर्णय लेता है। हमारे स्तर से इस पर कोई टिप्पणी नहीं हो सकती। प्रदेश और केंद्रीय नेतृत्व चाहेगा, चंपई सोरेन जी चाहेंगे तो फिर जो भी निर्णय हो वो स्वागत योग्य होगा।
Champai Soren took to Platform X and expressed his disappointment with the top BJP leadership. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren has slammed the BJP for poaching MLAs.
ये लोग गुजरात से, असम से, महाराष्ट्र से लोगों को ला करके यहाँ आदिवासी, दलित, पिछड़ा अल्पसंख्यक के ऊपर जहर बोने का काम करता है और एक दूसरे से लड़वाने का काम करता है। समाज तो छोड़ो, ये घर भी फोड़ने का काम करता है, पार्टी तोड़ने का काम करता है। आए दिन कभी इस विधायक को खरीद ले, कभी उस विधायक को खरीद ले। और पैसा ऐसा चीज है कि नेता लोग का तो ऐसे ही उन लोग को इधर उधर घसीटने में उन लोग को देरी नहीं लगता है।
Despite efforts by the former Jharkhand CM to shut down chatter around his exit, the change in his ex-bio and removal of JMM flags from his residence show that his switchover may only be a matter of time now.